Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how does Temu coupon bundle work. If you shop on Temu, one of the best ways to save money is by using coupon bundles. These bundles are a collection of discount coupons grouped together, which can include fixed discounts, percentage off deals, or even free shipping. They are often offered to encourage larger purchases, so some coupons may have a minimum spend requirement or an expiry date. The good thing is most of these bundles can be used on a wide range of products, giving you flexibility to save more. Now, here's how you can claim and use a Temu coupon bundle effectively. First, open the Temu app on your phone. Make sure you are connected to a stable internet connection so everything loads smoothly. Then, tap on Continue with Google and select your Google account to log in. This will let you access your account, including saved items, offers, and any previous purchases. Next, once you're logged in, browse the app and look for any active offers or promotions. Here, you can also find surprise gifts that Temu sometimes includes with certain deals. Checking this section regularly can help you discover new coupon bundles. After that, go back to home and tap on your cart. Make sure you've added items that meet the minimum spend requirement for any coupon you plan to use. Now, tap on checkout, and here you'll see an option to apply coupon code. If you already have a code from a previous bundle or promotion, you can enter it here to see your discount applied instantly. Next, go back and tap on U at the bottom menu. Here you find the coupon bundle option. Tap on Get next to it, and Temu will prepare the bundle for you. Then, you may be able to spin or choose the coupons you want to use. Each coupon will show details like the discount type, minimum spend, and expiry date. Make sure to read these carefully so you can use the coupon before it expires. After that, return to your cart. Check that all items meet the minimum purchase requirement for the selected coupon. This step is important because coupons won't work if your order total is too low. Now, at the checkout page, tap on Coupon, then select the coupon from your bundle. You should see the discount reflected in your order total. If it doesn't apply, check the expiry date or minimum spend again. Finally, review your order, make sure the total reflects the discount, and then complete your payment. Your coupon bundle is now successfully applied, helping you save more on your purchase. Coupon bundles are not always available, so regularly check the coupons and offers section, Temu's official promotions, or newsletter emails during big sales like Black Friday or seasonal events. Using these bundles wisely can give you extra savings and sometimes even free shipping. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.